So in our previous video we have explained resistance, capacitance and inductance. In this video we are going to understand breadboard, how breadboard works and why do we need these kind of breadboards. So the first question you may arise in your mind is, why do we need these kind of breadboards? So basically, if you make circuits like this, if you have LED, and how to connect it from the power supply for testing it. So you can just grab the two terminals and touch it in this way and you can simply test it. But this is not a easy way to do these kind of stuff using electricity. So what we have here is simply use breadboard to place the components in these holes and supply the power of that components to throughout these holes, through these holes. So basically we can simply make simple circuits using these breadboards, and they are just widely used in many hobbyists or professionals to test their circuits. So let's understand how these breadboard actually made with and how these actually work. So if you see here, there are multiple holes here. We can simply put such wires in these holes to make our connections. Okay, so what we have to do is here is these 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 lines are connected in this way. These 5 lines, both line is connected in this way, not in such a way, like they are connected vertical, not horizontal. If you look back side of this, you can easily see what is going behind the back of yours, so you have a better idea of it. So here you can see these lines is connected in such a way, and the main point is, observe here, is this is breaking point. So this only allows power to supply in these 5 points and not these other 5 points. They have same connection like this one from here, but they have disconnected from these points. So we can just grab one wire and connect in these 2 points, so we can continue the power throughout the entire line. And same for this side also. So till now we have explained these power lines. What we call these power lines, because we are using plus and minus signs in both to provide electricity to our circuit. So for that reason we used these two lines for powers. And other wires like these are connected in this way. If you have look from the back side, you can have a good idea of this. So yes, these are connected in this way and these are connected vertical and these are horizontal. So what they have here is the point one is the point, this point is connected to this. The points are connected throughout. If you put a wire here, you can take it another side from these are connected. So these points are just horizontal, and all other holes, they also follow the same rule as horizontal. So what these holes are used for? So basically we have microcontroller boards like these microcontrollers, and also have DIP packages of our ICs. So when we test their ICs and make circuit using these ICs, we have to just connect these ICs in this way, so we can simply take their pin out through using these holes. And of course our microcontroller board also can interact in such a way, so we can take their output using these points for making another circuitry connections. So as of now I have removed both of the microcontroller and IC, and hope you guys understand how breadboards actually works. And if you have any doubts, just comment it down, I will explain you there. Till now, goodbye.